Epic Billy Cat, I'm going to show you how I animate on GIMP, which is one of the hardest things I've ever done. So, yes. So you start with a transparent layer above the background, and I'll just do a talk cycle because I'm bored. So then you just draw what you want. Okay, that was very crappy. Okay. That's better, I guess. So, then you don't make it very detailed, but don't make it very detailed, but if you want to make it okay, then you can, I guess. Like, I'm kind of making it detailed. Okay, that's good. That's some creepy. Okay, I'm not going to do Isaac for now. Okay, so then you want to put the opacity at about 80%, so that it's kind of transparent, of course. That was kind of stupid. So, now you just want to, since I'm lazy, you duplicate the layer, and then make the mouth open a tiny bit. Then you duplicate this layer again and move it up one, and then you make it a bit larger. So then it's like, that's really crappy. So I'm gonna do one more. Duplicate layer, move it up. And then you just duplicate this one, move it up. Duplicate this one, move it up. Duplicate this one, move it up. So wait, let me check real quick. See if I got it. Okay, so there. Open, 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 close, close, close. Are those all the same? Oh, I think they are. Great. Okay, wait. Sorry, a bit of a mess up. Okay, hit it. Close, open a bit more, open. Open fully. This is open fully. Push down one. So, this is... Okay, so then you duplicate this one, drag it up. So then, that one is the top. Then you duplicate this one, and sorry, I'm probably talking really quiet. Sorry. Okay, so then, all together, open a bit up. More. Less. Okay, now comes the kind of hard part. Okay. Now for the line art, it looks better if you do it each time, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I might not. Okay, I'll just do simple eyes like... Okay, I'm just gonna do my normal eyes. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, no, I'm just gonna leave out the eyes, because I'm really not a good drawing mood today. Okay, that was bad. Okay, so then you draw the first layer however you want. Okay, so there's your first layer, and then you do on and on, like that. And it's better not to look at the one before, because then it's kind of like, you don't know how it's going to look. And when you think you've done enough, well, for a talk cycle, it's not like that, but like when you're doing a big animation, when you think you've done enough, you wind up about having enough. But it looks cool at the end, so it's worth it. So, show it, new layer, and you just keep on doing this until you're done, which may take a while. Not really for this one, because this is a really simple animation. Show it. this is really taking a long time. Actually, it's not that long compared to what I've done. Yeah, I've done a ton of animations, but I haven't just uploaded them, and I probably never will. So, on and on and on, on and on and on. Just keep on going. Yay, we're almost done. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to, but I probably should have. If you want to do a quick animation, you should use the pencil tool, which is right next to the pen right there. But I forgot to, because with that, you could just do a simple fill, and it's fine. But with mine, I forgot to, and I did it in pen, and that's probably really bad. But I just won't color it, or if I do, I won't do it quick. I'll do it quick, like just scribble it.